Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of video 7. This is your teacher Citra from the Wave Private School. Today our topic is rotating shapes. This is grade 7 and chapter number 17, that is position and movement. In this part we will solve exercise 17.2. Today's date is 25 April 2020 and this topic rotating shape you will find in the course book page 165. Now let's start our topic, and first of all we will see the introduction of how to rotate a shape. When you rotate a shape, you turn it into a fixed point. That is called center of rotation. You can rotate a shape clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise means its direction is same like the clock, and if it is opposite to the direction of clock, then we can say that it is anti-clockwise. Anti means opposite to the clock. Here different right angles are given. If a circle covers one part, it means one right angle, and then angle is 90 degree, and we can say that it covers 1/4 turn. It means 1/4 or 90 degree. If it covers 2 turns, it means that here it is at 2 right angles, and quarter turns are half turn, or half turn means angle is 180 degree. If it covers 3 turns, so we can say that it is in the direction of clockwise and covers 3 right angles, or 3/4 turns. 3/4 turns means angle is 270 degree. Here it covers the 4 turns. So whole the angle is 360 degree, which is the area of circle. So now we will try to solve our exercise, that is 17.2. Question number 1. Copy each diagram and rotate the shape about the center C by the given number of degrees. As you can see here, this point, that dot, is called the center point, and we have to rotate it about the center point. So in part A, question is given that you have to rotate this shape at an angle of 180 degree. So 180 degree means 2 turns, half turn, that is opposite to it. So just rotate it into the downside into this shape, and half turns mean 1 turn and 2 turns. So it will be downside of this shape. 1 covers blocks, so downside it covers 1 block. So its image is same like that, 180 degree. Here in the B part, 90 degree anti-clockwise. Anti means opposite to clock. So if we draw this object and we want to take it in anti-clockwise, so take this object and rotate it into anti means opposite. So it will be, then its shape will be like that we have to draw it starting from here and anti-clockwise 90 degree. So 1 turn into upside, so its shape will be same like that. In C part, this shape is, we have to rotate it at 90 degree clockwise. So clockwise means it's 1 turn. Opposite to this shape, it means it covers 1 right angle. So just opposite to this, it was the clockwise 90 degree. As you can see here, it was the 90 degree of this point. opposite to this shape. In the D part, we have to draw this shape at 180 degree. So 180 degree means half turn. So opposite to it, we can draw the shape same like that. So if we draw the shape opposite to this, it means it covers 180 degree or half turn. Now let's move question number 2. Copy each diagram and rotate the shape about the center C by the given fraction of a turn. Here point center of C is given and this is the object and we have to rotate it. We have to rotate it 1 by 2 turn. 1 by 2 turn means yes 180 degree, half turn. So just rotate it into half turn. If we rotate it into clockwise and opposite side, it will come into 90 degree, and half turn means 180 degree if it covers 2 turns. So downside on the here 1 block away. So if we draw it here, it means it will be at 90 degree. And here our turn is 1 by 2. It means 180 degree. So 1 block away, if you draw the shape here, then it will be equal to 180 degree or half turn. In this part, question says that you have to draw the shape, you have to rotate the shape at 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 4 turn means 90 degree clockwise. So just take this point center C and start to rotate the shape. If you rotate this shape at 90 degree, then it will go downside clockwise. So taking this point and start to rotate the shape, then it will be same like that, as you can see here, 90 degree clockwise. Here you have to draw the shape at 1 by 2 turn. 1 by 2 turn means same like that, 180. So taking this point and opposite to this, rotate the shape at 1 block away. As you can see here, it is 1 block away. So rotate the shape at 1 by 2 turns means opposite to that, or 180 degree. So it's a shape like that when you rotate it here. In the D part, 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means opposite to clock, and 1 by 4 is 90 degree. So when you take this object and will rotate it into anti-clockwise, then if it will be like in a lie position, then it will go in a straight position, as you will rotate it in an anti-clockwise direction. So here if it covers the 1 block, then its image will be same like that in the standing position, because we rotate it into anti-clockwise direction at an angle of 90 degree. Question number 3. Copy each diagram and rotate the shape using the given information. Here in part A, you have to rotate the shape at 90 degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means opposite to clock. So just rotate it into anti-clockwise. If you take this point and rotate it in this way, then this point will become at this point between 3, and the center is 1 and 3. So center will be at 1 and the y-axis will be at 3. So this point will go to the upside and shape will be same like that. 180 degree. Angle is 180 degree means half turn. That means it is opposite to it. So opposite to it at center is 3 and 3 blocks away. So 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks away, and the center point is 3 and angle is 180 degree. Means opposite to it. In the C part, 90 degree clockwise. here the points are 3, 4, 5 and you have to draw this shape at points 3, 4, 5 and the center is 1. It means the difference is 1. So just draw this shape at 3, 4, 5 points where center is, the difference between them is just 1. So it will be like 90-degree clockwise. If you draw it in this way, then it is clockwise. 180-degree. 180-degree means half turn opposite to it. And the center is 4 into 3. So just see here, it is 4 starting from here, and if we go from here then it is 3. So 4 into 3 center, and the angle is opposite to and the shape is opposite to this object. It means that between 4 and 3, and this is the image of this object after rotating the shape. Now this is the end of this lecture. The remaining question you will do at your home. That was your homework.